After our comprehensive discussion on various Microsoft Excel functions, so what's next? So we will be diving on charts and graphs using Microsoft Excel. So as overview, what is a chart in Excel? Charts in Excel serve as a powerful tools for visually representing data, whether you're analyzing sales figures, tracking trends, or comparing different categories. Excel offers a variety of chart types to suit your needs. So graphs and charts are fundamental tools in data analytics because they transform raw numbers into visually digestible insights. So it provides clarity and simplicity, quick decision making, pattern recognition, storytelling, comparisons, and relationships. Then as we move forward, we will be proceeding to descriptive analytics. So as overview, descriptive analytics deals what happened in the past. So a snapshot, descriptive analytics focuses on analyzing historical data to summarize trends, patterns, and key insights, helping business understand past performance. It uses statistical techniques and data visualization to present findings in a clear and actionable way, serving as a foundation for deeper analysis. And for additional concepts and review of formula and function, you can visit Microsoft Support via support.microsoft.com as well as excelx.com for additional list of Excel formulas and functions. Again, thank you very much. See you again next time. Have a great day ahead. Bye-bye.